Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will guide you through the installation and setup of a 2-gang light switch. To begin, we disconnect power from the system to ensure a safe installation process. Once the power is off, we proceed with wiring the switch. First, we connect the live phase wire to the switch. Next, we connect the neutral wire, followed by the neutral wires of both light fixtures. After that, we wire the first light fixture to the L1 terminal and the second light fixture to the L2 terminal. Once all connections are secured, we finalize the wiring by connecting the switch's own neutral and phase wires. Now, we are ready to restore power. With the wiring complete, we turn the power back on and the switch powers up immediately. On the display, we navigate to the menu and select Settings. Under the Wave I/O option, we proceed with device discovery. We click on Find Devices. To ensure that the switch enters pairing mode, we hold down any of its buttons for 10 seconds. As soon as the device is detected, it appears as 2-gang light switch on the screen. We select Add Found Device, and at this stage we can choose to rename it if desired. If no changes are made, it retains its default name. Next, we configure the indicator light settings. This allows us to select which color the switch will display in its on and off states. In this case, we set it to blue for clear visibility. We save the settings and finalize the configuration by selecting Save and Continue. Then Finish. With the setup complete, the 2 light fixtures immediately appear in the application interface. From here, we can manually use the physical switch, as well as control them directly via the app. For even more control, we open the PIERRE application, where all connected devices are instantly accessible. This allows for seamless remote operation from anywhere. And that's it. The 2-gang light switch is now fully installed, configured, and integrated into the system. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.